Welcome to the playground. Each of you may grab up to 2 keys out of the box. In total there are 5 keys. It is up to you to decide who takes the last key. Your task is to master the following challenges: slalom and drift. You can choose which car you prefer for each task. Enjoy your day.
All right, well, do we not need to go in the box? Yeah. All right, I think, yeah, I'll take this one. That's my one.
This is mine.
Which one have you got?
Oh, I'm on this one. Yeah, you're right.
All right, let's do this.
Cone that's so far out.
No, there's nothing wrong with it.
you hit it. All right. I'm really surprised at just how much power this thing has.
It does feel like quite reminiscent of a F1 car, doesn't it? Like how it just keeps on pulling.
Well, it's just insane that it's actually got a Formula 1 engine in the back.
Yeah.
But the handling for me is the best part. And I was getting some drifting through the slalom as well.
Yeah, I saw that.
I hit every current.
Yeah, I might hit 1 or 2 as well. Yeah. I'll take this key here.
I'm gonna take, I'll try this one. Oh,
that's you.
All right.
Oh, I'm jealous.
Yeah, good luck with the 4-wheel drive, mate.
Okay, I've been working like 3 jobs. Probably why
Drift King in the place.
big friends won't be oh God, I've been running now. Up early when the sun is out. Not sunning out my own soul, but those real ones, they coming now.
Woo, baby.
Old friends want to feature now. They don't work, so they need it free. You reaching now for the
Christmas 6.
Yeah, it was good, no? Woo! How was yours?
Drifting is so much fun. Sick drift. It was just going on forever.
For a 4-wheel drive car, being able to put that in drift, literally it's called drift mode.
Yeah, because you just lit them up real quick. Obviously this is the new
that's the bi-turbo
GT. This one's sick.
It looks beautiful as well.
Like when you're in drift, you just sit there and it's just
keep it
it's
pinned.
balanced. Yeah.
I really love these new wheels as well. These new wheels look real cool. Last key. Who's taking it?
Rock, paper, scissors.
All right. Yours, take it.
Oh, thank you.
I'll have to join you in the passenger seat then.
Must be this one. Yeah, let's do it.
That's a good colour.
Ah, this is luxurious.
Woo! All these S-Classes feel real good. Is that the first time we've done a lap together?
I think it is.
I think it is, yeah. This is proper. Why have we not come here more often?